Alright, time for expanding two brackets, this time with table tennis. So, Nathan and Jordan have decided that they are better at table tennis than Bonnie and Niku, who obviously are quite indignant about this. So they decided to set up a match, well, a bunch of matches where each of them will play all the other opponents. Now, to make sure that they each play all of them, we start off with Nathan, and he'll take on Bonnie. And then Nathan will take on Niku. Then Jordan steps up to the plate, or the table, and he'll take on Bonnie, first of the girls, and then we'll have Jordan versus Niku. That way each person plays every other opponent. Now the way that we've ensured that that's happened is by going Bonnie and Nathan, the first of each pair, and then we've gone Nathan and Niku, the outside ones, and then we've gone Jordan and Bonnie, the inside pair, and then the last pair of each, Jordan and Niku, which gives us the foil, which is our memory thing. This is the same as expanding two pairs of brackets, as if we've gone a bracket of the boys and a bracket of the girls, and that's what we end up with. So this would look with algebra. So if we just had Nathan and Jordan versus Bonnie and shouldn't have gone in here Niku, that gives us, first we have Bonnie v Nathan, so then we've got Nathan times Bonnie, plus we have the outside one, so Nathan and Niku, Nathan times Niku. Then we go the inside pair of Jordan times Bonnie, and then we go the last pair of Jordan and Niku. So we're just making sure that each one in each bracket is times by both of the pairs, both of the ones in the other bracket. So let's just do this with just some numbers now. So if we have, that way we can check it. So if we've got 2 plus 7 in the first bracket, and 3 minus 1 in the second bracket. So if we would expand this out, again we go, remembering our foil, so the first one's 2 gives us 2 times 3, plus outer ones, we've got 2 times negative 1, then our inside ones gives us 7 times 3, and then the last ones gives us 7 times negative 1. So this all, when we work out individual, we go 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, 7 times 3 is 21, and then 7 times negative 1 is minus 7. So this gives us 27 minus 9, which equals 18. Now if we look back up the top again, we can double check that this is actually what we're going to get by 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 9 times 2 equals 18. Yes. So let's try putting some trinomials in there. So for this time we got x plus 2, and we'll keep the same letter in here, x minus 3. So remember again, always remembering FOIL gives us first in each bracket, x times x, and then we have the outer ones, x times negative 3, plus the inside ones, 2 times x, and then we have the last ones, which gives us plus 2 times negative 3. Remembering, of course, that the negative is always attached to the number it's in front of, so negative 3 and negative 3 here. And if we just put the negative with 3, then we can leave a plus in between each one. It's nice and easy. So this gives us x times x is x squared. Then we have x times negative 3 is negative 3x. And then x times 2 is plus 2x. And then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Now, the last step is to put these together. Because they both have just one x as the polynomial, we can put them together. And that becomes, so negative 3 plus 2 gives negative 1. So we're left with x squared minus 1x minus 6. And of course, you don't actually have to write the 1 there, but you can if you choose. Alright, so let's do one final example. Let's have different variables this time. So let's go a plus 4, and then let's make it extra hard, 5 minus b. So again, always remembering FOIL. This isn't the order you have to do it in, but FOIL is just one to help remember and order to do it in, to make sure that you have all the bits you need. So let's start off with first in each bracket. So it's the a times 5, so a times 5, and then we add on the second in each bracket, so the outer ones, so the a times the b, a times negative b, of course, always keeping the negative with the thing it's attached to, and then we go the inside one in each bracket, or in the brackets, so 4 and 5, 4 times 5, and then finally we do the last in the pair of brackets. So we got 4 times negative b. So this all comes down to 5a plus negative ab plus 4 times 5 is 20 plus negative 4 lots of b. Now, because there's nothing in here that has the same letters, all that we have is this with an A, this with a B, and this with an AB. So there's none with just the same letter, so we can't simplify any of that down. The only thing we could do now is writing it as 5A minus AB minus 4B plus 20. And that's done.